The first race is a 10-kilometer trail run, lots of climbs. And then the second one is an 18-kilometer mountain bike race. As you can see, very, very hilly. It's not for the faint of heart, but even so, we got hundreds of participants today who wanted to test themselves. The first 2K for the mountain bike race was very steep. Average grade is around 14%. You climb around 250 meters from sea level in just 2 kilometers. And that's just the warm-up. The other 16 is a combination of rolling terrain and very, very steep hillsides and ridgelines here in the beautiful development of Timberland Heights. But nevertheless, very challenging and very scenic for those who are not in it for the competition but just want to enjoy a nice run in the mountains.
Yung King of the Mountain talaga, bali yun talaga yung pinaghahandaan ko na ahon sa lahat. Tapos, ayun, awa naman ng Diyos, nabit ko yung oras ko. Dito kasi sa King of the Mountain, more dito speed tsaka interval. Kaya pinag-aaralan ko dito palagi yung wall, tsaka yung sa may coverrail kasi yun talaga yung mga critical na ahon. Para sa akin, yung pinakamahirap kasi na training, yung puro interval sa ahon. Tapos, bali, doon ka mag-i-speed sa ahon. Para yung iba kasi, kumbaga, doon tataas kasi yung heart rate mo agad eh. Kumbaga, mas ma-appreciate mo talaga yung paglakas kasi yung power na binibigay sa'yo nung climb, mas matindi. Tapos pagdating mo sa patag, medyo komportable ka na.
We try to introduce people to the lifestyle, and we feel that by coming up with events like this, they can better appreciate the use of their bikes. Masaya, and we are getting good feedbacks. A lot of people are saying that they had a hard time, but they did enjoy it. This year, we intend to do this again, September. We figured that there's one for summer season and another one for rainy season. So September, it will be a different course. Wet conditions, slippery, but still exciting.
Well, it's our second year of supporting the All-Terra King of the Mountain. As you know, Subaru is an active promoter of the active lifestyle. So it's all about the great outdoors, running and biking. So we're just happy to be a part of this very successful event. This is, I think, by far the biggest turnout. There's more than 300 trail runners and almost 200 bikers. The terrain is just beautiful. It is the perfect setting for this kind of race. And like I said, it is probably the most successful one, and we look forward to the next All-Terra event.